Hi viewers, welcome to Rasa and Sway. I'm Raji Ramkrishnan. Today I'm going to make a tapioca sabji. For that 150 grams of tapioca I have chopped and put it in water. For tempering I have taken mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal, chana dal and 2 small pieces of lasun, that is garlic, and a small piece of ginger crushed, onion, 1 onion chopped. I have taken coconut oil, salt, hing powder and turmeric powder, curry leaves and green chilli. Around 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Put it in the kadai. The oil is hot. I'm putting mustard seeds. When it crackles, add the urad dal, chana dal. Let it become brown. This masala can be served along with chapati. Like potato masala we make the same manner. The cumin seeds goes in, curry leaves and green chilli. I've crushed the garlic also. We'll put that also in it. Now we'll add the onion chopped. Saute this onion for a minute. Add the salt, turmeric powder and the hing powder. Some tapioca gets cooked very fast, some don't. So you have to check. Either you can cook directly in the kadai itself, or you can put it in the cooker and cook it for 2 whistles. That you have to figure out, because if it doesn't get cooked directly in the kadai, then transfer it into cooker. Now we'll add the tapioca in it. Some more water required. I've added around 2 glasses of water. Check for salt. Spice level according to your requirement, you add the green chilli. I have transferred the same into the cooker. Pressure cook it in high flame for 1 whistle and then reduce the flame. And cook it in medium flame for 2 whistles. flame to medium high and cook for another 2 whistles. Add a little bit of lime juice in it. It enhances the taste and flavor. It took more than 5 whistles to cook, and finally I had to add a little bit of soda in it. Then again pressure cooked it for another 3 whistles. Afterwards it became very soft and it cooked properly. So you have to figure out accordingly and add soda if needed. Now the tapioca sabji is ready here to serve. You can serve it along with rice also and chapati, roti also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.